This is Ryan from Velocity Micro, and today we're going to show you how to mount hard drives in our GX4, GX5, and MX3 case. So we'll show you how to add a 2.5-inch SSD and a 3.5-inch mechanical drive, the two most common drives you're probably going to add to a system. So each Velocity Micro system comes with a bag of accessories that comes with things like these thumb screws that we use for SSDs and 3.5-inch drives, and you'll also come with these fine thread small screws that we will use exclusively for the SSDs. It comes with the brackets, the kind of L-shaped brackets for the SSDs, and we'll go over how to install these right now. So take the SSD, and on either side there's two screw holes that will need to line up with the holes here. Just screw it in. And repeat to the other side. So that's step one. Now we need to put on the silver thumb screws, and the rubber grommets go on just like so. Then one of each of these on each corner of the brackets. And it's a complete SSD with mounting kit. And you can double stack the SSDs so you can get a maximum of 10 in a case. Now we'll do the 3.5-inch. Process is mostly the same. All it needs is the silver thumb screws on each of these 4 screw holes on both sides. There you have it. All right, so now that we have the drives mounted and the brackets and the grommets are secured, we can go ahead and put them in the system. So you'll see here, this thumb screw, we'll get to that later, but that has a little bar that holds the drives in place once they're all the way in. So there's cutouts on either side that line up with the grommets. Just line it up with the black grommets and just push all the way in. Make sure it's all the way back. The door here will not close. Do the same for the mechanical drive. All the way back. Now they're all the way in. Now to secure them, so a silver thumb screw here, just turn slightly to the left, let it drop down, then tighten. When the drives are fully secured, now you can safely wire them in the back for SATA data and SATA power. All right guys, thanks for watching. For more tutorials, make sure to check out velocitymicro.com.